Alright boys, here we go. Holy shit. Woo! Alright guys, so today we're going to try to get this pulley off and swap it for my new upper pulley. I got the 2.5 upper Grip Tec pulley. It's pretty sweet here. So I'm just going with a 2.5 for now. We're going to keep the stock lower and see what it makes from there. So now we got to pull this one off and take this whole snout off after that. And then I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it on, and then I'm gonna take it to my boy. He's gonna press it on for me. So let's see how it goes. And this little puller I got here, it's like a crankshaft pulley. I suggest getting one of these because I did it when we did the cam, but it's pretty simple. I think I'm just gonna go easy on it, pull it off, and then unbolt. I think it's 1, 2. It should be 4 bolts. The snout pulls off, and then we'll get it all back together.
Where the hell did you get this piece of crap from?
It's the best one they make.
Who?
Everybody uses it.
Just pushing a hole right through there.
See, it's all it's kind of doing is digging in, and you don't want to give it all it's got. You just want to slightly back it out. I don't know if I moved it at all any or what. But the other problem is the pulley is getting stuck on this, and I'm afraid it's going to break this off. That's how you fab it up, baby. So basically what was happening, boys, was this little piece had a nipple, like this piece right here. She's been digging in to this little snout, whatever you want to call it, rod. So hopefully I got a flush piece to where it won't dig like a point in there. So this should work. We got a pretty flat. This is my first time fabbing something on like this. I'm feeling very excited with myself.
Going now. Looks like you moved a little bit.
It's on this. This whole side's covered with it.
Okay.
Alright, so now I get to advance and get the actual regular pulley with 3 things, whatever you want to, claws, and they're pretty deep in there. So this should work and yank this thing right off. Alright boys, here we go. Holy shit. It's coming off.
Okay.
Woo!
Right, so you didn't.
Hell yeah, boys! Yo, this has been so stressful.
I mean, this should go right back on there. There's no bolt goes in there, right?
No.
Okay.
But now I gotta disconnect these bolts and then take a pry bar and pry this snout off. Alright boys, I'm just prying on this thing, and Chevy Terry sticks this little pry bar right in here. Pop right up. Whew. Hell yeah.
So what, you got a new gasket?
No, they don't put a gasket on it. They just put like a Loctite type. Oh, what's that called? A gray.
Permatex.
Yeah, that's what it smells like.
Shit.
Smell. Everybody else is like jamming it on like the table and everything, and all the videos I watch, and he just comes in here and goes, pops it right up. I can't believe this stuff. What is this?
I guess that's your turbo.
No. Like, what is it made out? That's the snout. What is this?
Aluminum.
Yeah, shout out to my man Tim for pressing those on here. If you saw, it made a loud pop, so it goes bam, and then like, you know, it's kind of on there, got nice and flush. So drilling it out, or not drilling it out, but when we had that the pulley on here, I mean, it kind of dug in there, but I mean, nothing got too damaged. It's kind of sketchy. Highly suggest using the right one, because that was our biggest problem. I got the one from Advanced Auto, went and rented that. Your crankshaft pulley is probably not going to work, and if you only have two, it's probably not going to work. You got to have three. So just get you a 3 pulley. I mean, I think they're like 20 bucks to buy, but I just went and rented it. I don't know. So here's the stock one. Kind of ate it up a little bit. I mean, you might be able to reuse it, but I don't see why you would. Well, actually, probably not. I don't know. I wouldn't reuse it. So yeah, so now I'm gonna clean this joint up a little bit. I think she's got some RTV left on here, and then I'll go ahead. Who the heck? I'll go ahead and probably put some black RTV on here. I have an orange bottle, but my dad, Chevy Terriers, that don't use orange, so we'll see. This isolator, I'm keeping this in here for now because, I mean, you should replace it, but I'm tired of spending money right now. As you can tell, we spend a lot of money, so we'll see what happens. This is pretty cleaned up. Now I'm gonna get some black Permatex and spray it on here. Pretty sure that's the stuff that was already on it. You gotta let it sit for so much time?
Oh, just a couple minutes.
I'll do it in a second. Alright, it's pretty cool. This other long one goes in here. And we got this good old Milwaukee. I'll tell you what, guys, this stuff right here gets me really excited and fired up. Like, I can't wait, man. Like, it just not feel real that this is possibly about to happen, or this is going to happen. We're gonna be putting this thing on that car in, like, from here, probably like a week, probably less than a week from this video. But see where it goes. Pulley's on there. She spins good. That's pretty small compared to the regular one. Let me get that. This is my little parts table. I don't know what we're doing here, but yeah, that's a big difference. So we're gonna run this 255 for now, and again, we're gonna keep the stock balancer, and then we'll see what we can add to it. If we could add a 245 on the stock, which I think is really pushing it, we'll see what the car lets me do. But this should be pretty easy now. I'm definitely gonna go back over these and torque them down, and torque all these down. You see, we got it. We got all greased, or what do you want to call it? Not greased. Gasket. It's on there. Or sealant. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm just so starstruck, or I don't even know what to say. I'm just looking at this. This is crazy. But yeah, man, this is what it looks like when you do this stuff on your own. Your shop's always a mess. It should be, at least. But I love this stuff. I wouldn't trade this for nothing, man. Like, man, I don't know. I don't know what to say. I'm not about to cry, I tell you that. But this is like, it's wild, man. I cannot wait. Yo, I put the belt on here. This thing looks sick, dude. That is just, that's gonna look mean, boys. Oh my god. Yo, that really gets me excited. Like, God, I can't tell you like how much of a smile that puts on my face with that thing. That's gonna look good. Yeah, if you guys could hit that like and subscribe button, that would mean a lot, because we're gonna get pretty serious here soon with this stuff. If you've seen them other cam videos, go check those out. We got those up. There's some other cool videos I made, I think, over the years. But anyway, just hit that like and subscribe button, and follow me at IG on 1bat8, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.